Happy New Year, everybody. Let's hang out. We need to catch up. The mistletoe is mistletoeing. Hope everyone had a holly jolly New Year and a Merry Christmas or whatever you celebrate. I know I did, and I'm pretty freaking tired about it. You know, when you get that week off, you kind of like depend on it, and that's my worst thing, but we're back. We're at it. I got this workout set for Christmas. Michael got it for me. I like the cutout of this, and I will definitely give this, you know, 100% rating on the cutouts for this because that is so hot. However, it came with padding. I'm not a padding girl, so we had to take that out. Like, the back is cute. She can hang. These are the, what are these called again? Amplify leggings. They were sold out of the black color because that's the one I actually originally wanted. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I honestly didn't think I was gonna like them. I feel like every time I order something, Gymshark for instance, such a hype, ordered it, wow, please mind the appearance, please. It's giving rusted and dusted. Yeah, it's definitely not cute. I don't know if I'm gonna post the other video before this and how it looks, because like I literally don't know how my footage looks. I have not edited anything in so long. It's literally been such a minute. I recently just sold my MacBook Air. It was terrible. Like, let's not even go there. And that's literally the reason I never edited or anything. In the works to buy a new Mac. Hopefully I'll be able to produce more content. In my last video, I was discussing how I'm hosting Christmas and how like it gets into a whole, you know, it's like a family, but you want to do it type of thing. And my dad was very into that. So obviously I hosted, and it actually ended up being literally, I want to say 97% perfect. That's better than of a score than I was thinking. Like, that is such a good day. I was so happy with my turkey. Like, I never cooked a turkey, first of all. Mind you, 22 years old, live in an apartment that only holds so much, and I did the damn thing. It's always gonna be, I feel like, family tension. For that reason, I would give it the 97. If you know, you know. If you have a family like where you love them, but you also are like, hey, after the first one, you're good. That's exactly what I mean. Yeah, that was the vibe. It was better than I expected, so that was great. How was your Christmas? How was your New Year? Tell me all about it. What did you get? As you can see, like, things are not, well, you can't really see. I did that on purpose, but you can kind of see there's like things in this room that if you saw the last video, it still hasn't been done. So my New Year's resolution, get the damn thing done. That shower, so well needed. I'm not a gatekeeper, and I think I need to put you on. So the first thing would be this Matrix Biolage shampoo. No parabens. It's the one I'm using is for dry hair, and I could not rave about it more. You can get it at a beauty supply. I honestly think I'm gonna have to just film a favorites video, but I'll just give you a mini rundown of what I have in here. So if you have like dry patches, if you have dry patches anywhere, like little, you know, unfriendly dry spots, it's a scrub, and I literally don't know where she got it. It's from the brand Sugar Leaf. You put it on and you feel like you put on cream almost, but your skin's so clear and like, I'm sorry, vibrant. Slaps, you need this. Yeah, and I also feel like everybody needs a exfoliant. You can literally get them anywhere. I'm not picky about my exfoliant. I think they all can do the same thing, but I'm picky on a scent. So definitely find your good and true scent. That shower, elite. Okay, I'm really sorry if I'm calling you out right now, but if you just put on your glasses right away, like that, you just put them on after your shower without cleaning them first, I'm sorry, you're getting called out. I don't know, maybe I'm just really OCD, which I honestly do think I am a little bit. Like, think about it. You wore them all day. Whatever you did you work out? Did you go for a walk? Did you breathe? Yes. So I just feel like you have to wipe it off. Any oils that your face produce. Now your face is dry and clean as hell. Wouldn't you just want to put on a clean pair of glasses? I don't know. Like, is it just me? I don't know. I have personal issues. Also, if you don't lotion after the shower, we can't be friends. Not me trying to fix my Hooters. Hooters? No, that's your Hooter. I feel like you need like a good lotion after the shower hits uniquely. It's become such a routine. My skin actually feels... Oh, another hair product I'm gonna put you guys on is the Revlon Professional Unique One all-in-one hair treatment. I don't know, but it smells astonishing. And when I first met Michael, he used to always say, like, after I would shower, if we linked up, anybody he would link up with, female or not, he would be like, he would tell you if you smell good, because he's the king. If you know him, he's the king of smelling pretty freaking good. He would always say, oh my god, your hair smells so good, like after a shower, whatever. Okay, typical. Now we live together, he knows that my hair smells like he doesn't say it all the time, but I know that he knew that this was life-changing, because when I first put it on, he was like, Peach, what is that? What is that? What is that? Because it literally smells so good. It smells professional. It smells like a hair salon. Didn't know my hair is naturally freaking wild. Kind of curly, kind of, it's 3 different textures in one. You get it all over here. We don't discriminate around here. One thing about me that I'm not a hoarder. Don't care what anyone says. I am the queen of decluttering. If I think your house is too cluttery, I will tell you, you need to declutter. Or let me help you, because I literally live. Probably talked about Olay. I don't know what it is about Olay. Let me tell you, I've tried. Like, I'm even gonna call out the watermelon glow recipe. Like, I'm gonna use it for the under eye. Like, this I really like. It's their under eye cream, brightening and firming, yada yada. Like, I got the mini set just to try it, just to give it a shot. My skin can be a little dry in the winter. I would say I have pretty normal skin though. Like, I love the cute brand and the watermelon, and like, I love that vibe, and I love how cute it is and how good it smells, but it doesn't feel like the moisturizer was giving what a moisturizer gives. This gives, I don't know, retinol, I don't know what's in here, peptide, retinol, wait for it. Next exercise. Okay, hold on. If you don't know that girl, I'm embarrassing myself so hard. First of all, are you a gym girly? Yes or no? If you're a gym girly, this girl has popped up on your For You page, and I just know that because she's the girl that does, okay, I know a lot of girls are doing it now. The mics, and then they like show you the exercise, and when she does a next thing, she'll do next exercise. I'm just gonna roll it in here because me doing it is really cringy. Next exercise. We love her. Actually, I'm not sorry to the people who have oily skin. You guys are not going to age. So I'm not sorry to you, because you're gonna have flawless skin forever. Trust me. Yeah, pimples, yeah, whatever, yeah, no. Apparently, if you have oily skin, you're looking out, girl. Anyways, you know the vibes. You know the serum. You know all about it. Or oil, sorry. My skin's actually been pretty good lately. When I stop doing this stuff is when it happens. Down here the other day, it was looking a little dusty. Why am I annoying and kind of live when Michael goes out so I can actually film content? Next exercise. My hair is pretty much like more than halfway dry. Honestly, the Dyson, okay, I'm a Dyson fanatic because I have the vacuum, and listen, if I was gonna spend that much money, it was gonna be on something that, you know, I can pick up, move it around, whatever, and it's known to be pretty good, so obviously I was keen on it. Quality's pretty up there as long as you take care of the products. Even for this, don't get it just, this is my pet peeve. People who think that's way too expensive, blah 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 blah. I agree, and there's some things I will not pay for, 110%. But when they do buy something that is expensive, they're finally like, look at me, I have this, but then they don't clean it. And then they get mad, they're like, oh, this doesn't work, this is the worst product ever, I'll never do this. I'm sorry, there is so many little things here. Like, there's hairs that get caught in here, and you need to watch videos, clean, soak. It makes me so mad. Like, even my vacuum, I soak it all the time, all the parts, because they get really nasty. They do, they get so disgusting, and people don't think twice about it. So this tool, I feel like I should do another video if y'all are interested on like a Dyson comparison with this and like a whatever. I've been using this for a while now, so I have a lot that I could really say about it. Overall though, I like it. Okay, so that's just like the blow dry tool, just to get it a little bit more dry, because I feel like you cannot use all the other attachments if your hair is soaking wet. But that's even like with the Revlon One Step. If I were to use that right away, I feel like I was damaging the hell out of my hair. And I take this is like a smoothing brush.